friends. This is SANS Foundation Head Office, Chittaranjan Park, New Delhi, southern part of Delhi. Welcome to our SANS Foundation, a SANS Foundation where we can help you to breathe better. We are here for preventive health checkups and home collection, all kinds of respiratory diseases, allergy testing, lung function test, all kinds of interventions, sleep test, pulmonary rehabilitation and home care. It's a very comprehensive respiratory under one roof center. The founder of this center is Dr. P.P. Bose. He's a founder of the SANS Foundation. He's a super specialist in the field of respiratory, critical care, sleep and rehabilitation. He has done super specialization in India and abroad with super specialization training courses from Western world, and also he's an MBA from School of Darden, Virginia. Welcome all of you to our SANS Foundation, the Holistic Respiratory Care Center, where the people are treated with a lot of empathy. Dear friends, this is the SANS Foundation. Welcome to the SANS Foundation Center. At this point of entry, we look after you very systematically. You see how beautifully it has been done up. This is the patient gallery. This is the place where the Dr. Bose's awards and honors have been shown. He's a widely traveled person with honors and awards all across the globe. He's a recipient of Delhi Medical Association Excellence Award, scholar from University College of Medical Sciences for his excellence in his field of specialization. The SANS Foundation has got global recognition for his work in sleep and advocacy. This is the School of Darden certificates for his MBA in healthcare management. He has been widely acclaimed for his work in the field of respiratory, critical care, sleep and rehabilitations. He's the founder of Indian Sleep Disorder Association, and he's regularly giving this fellowship in Indian Sleep Disorder Association. And also, he's a breathing expert, and he's a Botaco breathing technique super specialist. He's a fellow biotech professional international from Ireland, and a center known for a holistic care. This is the imaging center. This is the imaging center where the patients are subjected to X-ray and other evaluations. This is the patient waiting area for the display center for all kinds of his patient education and scholarly and media articles. This is the temple corner where the people are given the relaxation techniques. This corner is basically a psychometric evaluation corner where every patient is assessed psychometrically for the mental health, because the SANS Foundation, we believe that every disease is a mental component. This is a psychometric corner center. Our reception desk has all the facilities. The frontline people are widely educated. They keep on educating the patient. This is the tagline. The SANS also skill people on different healthcare centers. This is the lab, diagnostics, automatic lab centers, and the drug delivery system. This is the associate chambers. People are evaluated here. Dr. Bose's associate looks after patients here. Every corner of the center has been well equipped with all the respiratory support systems. This is the director's office where the patients are evaluated and treated with all the basic support systems. This is a place where the patients were evaluated after screened by the healthcare support system. This is the This is basically a patient evaluation setting. That once the patient is evaluated, treated, the next level is the diagnostic unit, the lung function unit, and the rehab unit, and the daycare and the home care unit. This is the pulmonary function lab, where every patient after detailed evaluation is subjected to lung evaluation. This is the PFT lab. Patient is subjected to PFT lung function evaluation. After the evaluations, this is the patient education center. This is the HDUs. The patient who need short-term stay or monitoring, they are kept here. This is the high dependency unit. The center has been done in a very patient-friendly manner, like in home away from home. All the rooms are very well supported with oxygenation delivery system, monitoring apparatus, and very patient-friendly home care setup. This is an HDU. Every corner has been very beautifully designed in a homeware. Every room has an attached washroom system, sunshine rooms. This is basically the high dependency unit and the monitoring unit for short and long stay. This is the single room where the patients are receive extended care. Now the patients, those who require respiratory evaluation, long-term care, they are kept here. They are also used for pulmonary rehabilitation program. This is one of the single rooms where the rehabilitation unit, pulmonary rehabilitation, drug addictions, alcoholic rehabilitation, smoking cessation programs are done. This is the sleep care unit, where the patient, those who has been suspected of sleep disorders, they are kept overnight for sleep evaluations. It's beautifully designed, just like a bedroom, all with all the facilities, with little musical corner so that people can sleep well. They are extensively monitored here. And every room has a beautiful attached washroom corners, so the patient feel comfortable. Just a glimpse of one washroom. All facilities with patient-centric facilities, very clean and very hygienic. This center, which is recognized by Director General Health Services as a super specialty respiratory critical care and sleep, has a segregation of biology. We very strictly follow the segregation of waste management program with color coding system. This is the nutrition lab. Every patient subjected to a nutrition program, and you see every patient, this is a nutrition corner with all the facilities. Special people are trained how to make specific nutritions at home, and using different tools and techniques. Our diet technicians and nutritionists, they teach people. Then also we have an extended center called the pulmonary outdoor pulmonary rehab centers. This was basically designed in the COVID time, taking care of the COVID patients so that they do not spread the infections to others. So now we'll take you to the outdoor ethnic or the rehabilitation centers. We'll take you outside the SANS Foundation. The part of the SANS Foundation is a very ethnic naturopathy rehabilitation facility. This is a very amazing part of the rehabilitation facility. This is the most ethnic part of the SANS Foundation, the pulmonary rehabilitation and outdoor rehabilitation. This is very, very eco-friendly, earthy made of natural element, keeping the COVID patients in mind. Patients are extensively evaluated here. They're subjected to all kinds of holistic pulmonary rehabilitation program. And you see, this is a very earthy center. We have very bio-friendly materials have been used. And this center has got all kinds of gymming activities, from cycling to multi-gym to the relaxations techniques, and it's been made very earthy and very natural, so that people feel good, because in respiratory rehabilitation you need a very earthy, friendly, bio-friendly area. So that has been kept with all those, and whole center is very oxygen friendly and with all those support systems. So this is basically, and this center has been taken care and designed by our rehab head, Dr. Siddhant. So we'll take you to Siddhant, and he will explain you how is he rehabilitating the patients. And this is our Shabnam. She's a rehab educator, and she takes care of all the patients. And you see how we are taking care of, how we are got, it looks very green and very ethnic. So the people feel good. You see, the people feel good. The place is very bio-friendly, and there's a CAIOS system. Every patient is educated to the CAIOS system. And here we over to Dr. Siddhant. Now he will briefly introduce what exactly we are doing the pulmonary rehabilitation program in SANS Foundation. This is our this was designed keeping the COVID spread in mind, and this is an outdoor rehabilitation center. And patients are very comfortable here. So he's handling one of the patients in his pulmonary rehabilitation program. So over to Dr. Siddhant, and he will explain you what exactly we are doing in SANS Foundation pulmonary rehabilitation programs, and how we are different from others, and what we talk about the continuity care from rehabilitation to home care. So over to Dr. Siddhant.
Pulmonary rehabilitation is a very specialized program which we are doing for the patients with chronic respiratory disease, and it is not only we are just focusing on a symptomatic treatment, but we are changing that overall lifestyle, and we are giving the meaning to the life to these patients, and we are helping them to cope up with their routine things, irrespective of getting a good control over the respiratory conditions. We are also helping them to have a normal lifestyle and normal routine activities. And during the COVID, we have seen a lot of patients who come with post-COVID fibrosis and all these things, because their conditions, deconditioning was there. So we have helped them a lot in this outdoor. Especially, it gives a lot of holistic wellness, which we talk about. It gives a lot of oxygenation. We talk about a lot of wellness in these patients. So these are the programs which we are conducting in respiratory rehabilitation. This is a specialized unit which we have made for all the pulmonary chronic condition cases, as well as we have treated a lot of post-COVID conditions here.
I remember when you came to me last time, you had a lot of symptoms, and if I compare these two allergy tests, this 27/7/2020 was 736.2. And now
this is not the current, sir. This is also older.
This is older one.
Older one. इसमें नीचे है. I got a CBC भी ऐसे ही मैंने करा लिया है. ये this is yesterday's.
This is yesterday's. Thank you everybody for enjoying this video. Thank you, and wish you a very happy New Year, and take care. And you have seen how we do it. And this is how we take care of the patients. And thank you everybody for your good wishes. Yeah, thank you friends for watching this video. It's really good to know you all. So thanks for physically.